The Contax G1 doesn't have bad autofocus, you just don't know how to use it. I know that sounds kind of harsh, but after months of shooting with it, I realized most of the complaints online aren't actually about the camera. They're about people treating a 1994 rangefinder like a modern Sony camera. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most misunderstood film cameras ever made. If you spent any time on Reddit or YouTube, you probably heard people say the Contax G1 misses focus all the time. But here's the thing, mine doesn't. The problem isn't autofocus. The G1 uses a pair of rangefinders to focus. Both windows are at a slight offset from each other, and the camera uses that resulting parallax to determine how far the subject is on the plane of focus, which means it isn't looking through the lens the way modern mirrorless cameras do. Instead, it's measuring distance. So if you're shooting through glass, a chain link fence, reflections, or subjects without enough contrast, it's probably going to struggle, and that's alright. And it's struggling not because it's broken or because it sucks, but because you're asking it to do something that it simply wasn't designed to. A lot of photographers treat the G1 like a Sony A7. They half press the shutter, immediately recompose, and then fire off 3 shots, and they expect eye-tracking magic. That's not how this camera works. The autofocus locks onto a point where you tell it to focus, and if either of you, the subject, or the person shooting moves afterwards, your focus changes too. It's a slower shooting experience, and honestly, that's part of why people love shooting film in the first place. Here's what works for me. First, I focus on contrast by looking for clear edges, eyes against skin, a dark jacket against a bright background, or anything else that autofocus can easily recognize. Second, I wait for focus confirmation instead of rushing the shutter before the camera actually locks on. Third, I respect the camera's minimum focus distance because they can't magically focus on something that's only a few inches away. Every camera has strengths, and the key is learning how to play into them. I actually almost didn't buy the Contax G1 because everything I read online, people said it was pretty much terrible. People said the autofocus didn't work, that it constantly missed, and that it couldn't be trusted. Then I bought the camera anyway. I started using it, and I realized the internet was just amplifying all the bad experiences. Nobody uploads a video title, "My Contax G1 focuses perfectly every single day." The people who were happy with the camera was too busy using it instead of complaining about it online. My final thoughts here is that the Contax G1 is not perfect. It's more than 30 years old, and it definitely has its own limitations. But bad autofocus isn't exactly one of them. At least not for me, and at least not if you understand how the system works. Slow down, learn the camera, and respect it for what it was built to do. And I think you'll be surprised about how many sharp photos you actually come home with. If you're thinking about buying the Contax G1, or you've been struggling with yours, drop your questions and comments down below. And if you're into cameras, photography, and gear that still deserves a place in 2026, make sure you subscribe because I have a lot more videos on the way.